What? Do that again. I didn't have a camera on for that one. Anyways, this is the first time in a good while we've had at least an inch of snow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's something we could play in.
Yeah.
Anyway.
And our culprit is over here. Our cause of catastrophe. And oh well. But we have one more person coming over, and this one you guys might want to stick around for. Oh, look at that. Almost all off. So as much as I would love to take that one out and throw a sled around, or aka a hood, it's a diesel. I'm not going to cold start this anymore. Moral of the story, it's hard on them. The gassers do like to get up a little easier. And this one, honestly, can take a beating and keep on kicking. Plus, it's mine. She actually likes choke. I tuned it a little bit ago, so let's see how quick it starts.
Ooh.
That was... We'll figure out if that was enough or a little choke. This thing doesn't really like choke. Just a quick little cruise through the grass, about 2 inches of snow, 1.5 inches maybe, somewhere around there. Just cruising around real quick before we show you some action. Weeds buried. Alright, on to the sledding. It's been slightly used. Just a little bit.
I think you're fucking out moving. Oh god, this feels so weird. Oh, but it works so well! God, I love cars. I really want to get more snow and take these things to fucking... I know! Oh! Oh my god, I can't... Haul ass towards him? Oh shit! Oh god damn, mommy! Ah! Oh, I can't see it, my ass is cold, I'm piled in fucking snow! Oh! This is horrible! Dude, you fucking swing it to the side and it just buries up right here! Oh my! Holy shit! Get ready to bail off if shit goes south.
I don't know if I can bail because this fucking thing back.
Let go and roll. Who cares what it is? Better than getting crushed. Might put your foot out and get ready to stop it too. Because if he does the same shit I did, you got close on mine.
Oh yeah, he's definitely going a little faster too.
Oh shit.
Oh.
You get to that powdery shit is what kills you. Wow. Hey, if you're thirsty,
Ah yes, go up the hill going that fast, Quinn.
Alright, I did. If you don't, it gets kind of bad.
Oh shit, Quinn.